Hi, so I'm new here. So I think my friend is. Where's my friend? Where? No, I'm not TikToker. No. Ay. Someone tried me. Sino to? Oh. I don't want that. I don't want, pero kinuha. Ngayon, paano ko makuha? What? So that, yeah. I'm not TikToker. I'm not TikToker because this is my... Nagko-collect pa nga lang ako ng ano eh. This is my first video. So, ano ba? Video ako ulit. Gusto ko lumipat ng ano, ng server, ibang server. Saan ba yung kaibigan ko? Saan ba yun? Ay, ito. This is my bestie, guys. Yeah. What you saying? What? You guys tired na. I'm gonna prank it. Gonna prank. Ayun. Ay. Give me that. Oh. I just want a cookie. I want a cookie. So I'm gonna challenge myself. I can't touch color zoo. Yeah, I can't. Like this. Okay, I'm gonna cut this because I think it tastes so good. Oh, 55 level 2. 55. Ito ang the last one. Ito ay. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna dance. Ay, mali. I don't have any emotes. The Santa, I have Santa before. Okay, I can touch now the kulay blue because I want to swim here. Yeah. And it's raining. It's raining in here. It's raining in Manila. Uy. Gawin na lang next time. Magkaroon din ako eh. Ganun din ako minsan. Tignan mo na ang channel ko. Ay, titignan niya naman. Hoy. Dito. Naka-microphone. Ay, mic. Naka-open mic ako. Di ako naka-mute. Let's go. It's so cold. I read. Tapos wala jacket. Okay, cut this anywhere. got this anywhere. So I've screamed. Wait. Ice cream is here. Where is the mode 80s? Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream pa talaga. Okay, number 8. So, next game. I'm innocent. I'm AFK. Ow! Dito. Celebrate. Ah! I could go up like that. Yeah. Oh. Again. Ah. I'm here. What happened? Oh, who is that? TikTok. I can't see here. Ay, ito pala. Wala pa siya. I don't have Wi-Fi. I don't have Zone 2. How I'm gonna play because the Wi-Fi missing when it's raining. Hindi pala. Manila. Ah! May ikot yung ano ko. Nagba ako. Ay. What? Yeah. Fake you pa. I'm gonna eat first. I'm gonna put